Hey, what's up guys, the French Monkey here, and today I wanted to make a quick video to let you know that I just released all of my add-ons for Blender and I've made them free for everyone. So if you want to download some of them, you can now do it. I have a collection of about 30 add-ons for Blender. There's some utilities add-ons, and yeah, so there's a lot of things to look through. If you want to learn more about that, I did a video explaining most of them in the 27 add-ons in 1 minute for Blender, and these videos talks about the master collection, which has now a new price. So it used to be a lot pricier, but now I decided to put this to $9, as well as my Blender behind the scene videos, volume 1 and volume 2. So with these you will get all of the files. So yeah, I will probably make some videos about each and every one of them, because the 1 hour long video is a little bit much for some users. So yeah, I will try to compact that into videos for each add-ons that I have. Be sure to check out all of the add-ons that I have to offer, and if you want to download some of them, I would suggest the circuit one, the curve, the framer, which is a very nice one to have, the grid also, but I will have to make a tutorial for this specific one. The guider is another utility that might be useful. The light, the node rack, which is a very good one if you want a Octane style rack with all of your nodes. The orbiter as well, that's one of my favorites. You can download this for free. It's been added on the official Blender add-on extension. And of course, if you want something more elaborated with all of these add-ons put together in one only add-on, you can get the TFMSTYLE add-on collection. And of course, be sure to check out my official Blender extension page, where you will be able to take a look at the extensions that I have. And of course, besides that, I do have a lot of bundles that you can download with my grayscale tile packs collection, some 3D assets, landscape pack, grayscale packs. And yeah, so you can take a look at what I have here on my store. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I will see you guys very soon with new videos. Cheers.